We divide 359 by 2 in long division method. So 2 times 1 means 2. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2. So we put down the number beside this 5. So now it is 15 and 2 times 7 means 14. On subtracting it is 1. So again this 1 is less than 2. So we put down the number beside this 9. So now it is 19 and 2 times 9 means 18. On subtracting it is 1. So now this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number beside. So we put here decimal so that we take 0. Now it is 10 and 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting it is 0. So 359 divided by 2 is 179 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.